right, so apparently we have a sewer that's backing up, so I'm gonna look into it and see what's going on. I got a little camera here from Amazon. All right, so I'm out here today because wrapping up a couple things before the final occupancy inspection tomorrow. Little did I know we are already occupied. It's all good. We're already paid, so I'm cool with it. At the same time, she said the sewer was backing up. So came out here, the kitchen sink drain did back up. So I shoved the hose down there, blasted it with water, ran it for 20 minutes, everything's good. Now I have the hose in the main sewer. Everything seems to be good there. Gonna run it for like 5 minutes and do the same thing in the clothes washer drain as well, just to make sure everything is good. I scheduled an appointment to come out and get it cleaned again. Maybe I'll do it for peace of mind, I'm not sure. But I think we're gonna be good. So, like I said, I'm wrapping up a couple things today to finish up the occupancy inspection list, like handles on the cabinets, gotta change out 3 outlets, and then put a new water diverter on the bathtub. I'm also gonna fill up the bathtub, make sure that thing drains, and there's no weird backing up with that either, so. Whew. Okay, so we are draining the entire bathtub after filling it up, and we have no leaks. Nothing's backing up. Everything is good. I don't know what happened the other day, but everything is good. All right, let's get some close-ups of these handles on the cabinets. Everything's looking good. Like I said, we already got a tenant in here, so had to do this quick. Everything's going good. You know, I think my problem is with this handle right here. I might have it in upside down, and that's why water might be coming out there. So if that's the case, you know what I'm gonna have to do, and I'll do it tomorrow. See you next time. All right, so today is Andy's plumber blooper reel. So I installed this puppy up like this. Guess what? That's upside down. That's why I was leaking water out both sides. It's supposed to be installed like this. So I just cut that out with a reciprocating saw. I'm gonna heat it up, twist those pieces off, and then hopefully just shark bite it in to a new valve. It cost me probably $100 because I'm the worst plumber in the world. Everything's gravy. I'll just put it back together. All right, it's a beautiful day out here. I got our laborers over here. We are going to turn this front area into a little bit better landscaping. We got some 3 boxwoods planted here. And we're gonna put this American Heritage rock there. We've already started up here and it's already looking better. We're coming along just nicely. So Len had to take a little break. Miles is still hard at work, right? Show him that shovel. Show me your muscle. Oh yeah, look at all that rock. We still have to go. Everything's looking really, really good. And we only have a little bit more to go. We're just gonna wrap around the front. Say bye-bye. Oh, good job, buddy. Doing good. All right, we just finished putting all the rock down and the little mountain green boxwoods right here. Put the American Heritage rock all the way around this corner, and we stopped it right here. I figured we probably should have stopped it at the water drain, but you know what? We had extra rock, so that's what we did. All right, guys, today is the last day at our rehab here, and I'm gonna walk you around and show you everything. We just had a an appraisal done, and the guy was very nice. Looking forward to it. But look at how beautiful this place is. Huge corner lot up here. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around and show you every single thing we've done. We have our makeup occupancy inspection here in a couple hours. So I figure what a better time to do this walkthrough than now. So we're gonna start with the outside of the house. There was a big root coming from this tree, and we had to get rid of this concrete and take the root out and pour 32 bags in there. And then we had to repair some cracks right here. And over there in the sidewalk and over there by the steps as well, you could see we painted the garage door. You can see little blue spots around the house where we patched holes and painted, and we washed the entire house. The house already had beautiful blue or new windows, vinyl windows. So we did some landscaping here and put some boxwoods in, and then threw some rock down. It looks a lot better. You can see over here is where we had the sewer lateral replaced completely, which is very awesome. And you know, hopefully some of this grass comes in, but you know, we cut this thing out, but that's going to take some serious work to get out. I might try to do that after this video because it looks terrible. But we did have to close this fence up right here the best we could because there was a big gap. We had to raise the low voltage lines. We had to replace that roof vent up there. We washed the roof, we washed the house. We also sealed this exhaust vent for the kitchen because the old kitchens had exhaust vents that just went right out to the side of the house. So we patched some cracks over there. We put new insulation on the AC hose right there on the lines. We raised the low voltage lines. I think I already said that. We had the whole yard cleaned up of gumballs and sticks and stuff. We trimmed some of the branches away from the lines, and we removed a bunch of silly things that were in the back of the yard. I think that's all we did out here. Let's go around to the other side of the house. Actually, the only thing we did was we replaced the glass in this back door back here. You can kind of see it right there. It looks so much better now. It was broken. We painted the doors, all those exterior doors. Everything's looking much better now. So we did have to scrape this light post right here and paint that. Put some new light bulbs in the exterior lights. I did say we did paint this garage door right here. Man, that's way close. Sorry about that. We painted the garage door right here. Just cleaned things up. And you can see AT&T's over there trying to get our neighbors some internet. Now I think I'm gonna pick up these bricks right here before I leave. The majority of them, the ones, every single one that's broken, because it looks terrible. So the AC unit we did not replace. I guarantee you we're gonna be replacing that as soon as it goes out. And here is the glass that we put in. It looks good, it looks beautiful. Got new handles everywhere, and these are smart keys. So if you look right here, you stick a little, almost like a paper clip in there, and you could rekey these doors multiple times. So we painted everything everywhere in the house, and this is the garage, ceiling and walls. So, all right, let's move on into the inside of the house. Like I said, we painted the doors. This glass was good, so we didn't have to do anything. But here is the kitchen. And let me see if I can turn on a light. New paint everywhere. Ceiling, trim doors, brand new kitchen cabinets, new appliances, new countertops. We actually did new plumbing down here because we had to move the, this actually one of the things they're going to be looking at the inspection today is, hey, did I do this correctly? And, oh, it's dry. It is correct. So yeah, we moved the cabinets over because it was catty corner or off center of the window. Now it's center on the window. You know, we plugged that up there, ran some new electric outlets up there, got some GFIs over every single counter space. New 6-panel doors everywhere. Completely new bathroom. New LVP floor, resurfaced the cast iron tub, took out the soffit, put new tile in everywhere, trimmed it out, new toilet, new vanity, new mirror. So we also updated the plumbing in here, and we have a new updated shower valve, as well as plumbing underneath the sink. Kind of updated the laundry chute. Here's the beautiful living room. Like I said, we have a tenant that has already moved in, so we're good to go. Getting good rent. Like I said, we just painted everything. There used to not be a light in the living room, believe it or not, so I had my electrician install one right there. And now you have much more light in here. Coming on down the hall, we disabled the attic fan right there because this is a rental. And the less mechanical things you have, the less calls you're gonna get. Like I said, 6-panel doors everywhere, CO detectors, smoke detectors right above the bedroom doors. You know, paint everywhere. Everything's looking beautiful. We did not resurface the floors. You know, that's one thing we could have done. But man, that was gonna cost me like $2,500 if I paid someone to do it, or, you know, if I would have done it, it would have taken more time. And honestly, I think I just got lazy. But you can see paint everywhere. Did a lot of paint. We probably got 50 hours of paint in here. And here's our bathroom. The fans turn on when I hit the light switch. I wanted it wired like that specifically. So loud. And then again, here's our new vanities and everything, and everything's just looking good. New toilets. That's where I moved a little bit. I'm gonna have to pay some attention to that. New valves back there. Got new valves everywhere. So yeah, everything's been, like I said, everything's been painted. Every single thing. And then let's go down to the basement. And I'll show you what we did down here. We got a new light right here. We painted the stairs. We reinstalled this. Painted everywhere in here, even the ceiling. So this is wood paneling right here. We took the wood paneling out of the kitchen, but here we left it in. We chiseled all the tile off the floor and painted the floor. We painted the storage space over here. We installed some LVP over here, and if you remember, we replaced the sewer lateral right here. And like I said, we took all the ceiling tiles out of the ceiling and painted the entire ceiling black. We replaced a lot of the gaskets or bushings or whatever, and these water valves. You might not be able to see that right there, but over here you will. So we came back here, painted that wall, painted all the backs of this black, got a new furnace. We updated the washer hookup with some water hammer arresters. Let's see, we had to secure this to the wall. The stack right here, the entire stack is brand new. Painted it black, it looks amazing. And so the furnace or the water heater is old. I'm sure we will be replacing that. And then here's the furnace. And that's it. So now what we're doing is we are getting an appraisal so we could recoup our money. And I'm about $30,000 into the rehab. I think $126,000 altogether. Purchase price was $96,500. And withholding costs and everything, that's where we're at. So the idea is to recoup the money as quickly as possible and do this again in about 2 months. It's summertime. I want to enjoy myself and spend some time with the kids. But a deal just fell into my lap yesterday, and I might be doing a subject to purchase on a townhome right up the street, which I'm very excited about. So anyway, thanks for watching all these videos. I hope you enjoyed them. And if you have any questions, just throw them down in the comments and stay tuned for the next rehab. We'll see you next time.